In this video, we'll use CoilDesigner heat exchangers for the condenser and evaporator. Create a new cycle. Note that if you are working on a previous cycle, you'll need to close that cycle before creating or opening a new one. In the new cycle wizard, select a simple cycle using the mass flow rate boundary condition. For convergence criteria, select subcooling and specify superheat. Cycle context should be air source cooling. Go ahead and save the file. Let's edit the compressor first. We'll use the 10 coefficient database compressor model, and we'll select the Copeland compressor again. This time, though, we'll use a different model than that used in video 4. Use the filters to narrow the selection. Select R134A as the refrigerant and air conditioning as the application. Now for the condenser. Choose the VapCyc CoilDesigner reader component. Click Browse. A sample CoilDesigner condenser and evaporator are included with the 9.5 kilowatt example that was included in the installation package. Select the outdoor tube fin model for the condenser. Repeat similar steps for the evaporator. This time, select the indoor coil. Now set the convergence criteria. The subcooling should be 8.33 Kelvin and the superheat should be 11.1. Add a suction line after the evaporator. Edit the properties such that the inner diameter is 0.875 inches, the tube length is 5 meters, the delta T is 3.3 degrees Celsius, and the default pressure drop correlations are used. Save and then run the cycle. Now let's go back and add a fan model. Go back to the Systems tab in the main viewing pane. Right-click on the evaporator and select Edit Component. On the Inlet Air Conditions tab, select Use Fan Model. Change the gas value to 0.6 meters cubed per second. Click OK and then Yes. Right-click on the evaporator again and this time select Edit Fan Component. On the Fan Properties tab, hit Browse. Select the EBM-PAPST fans database model included in the Components folder. This folder comes with the installation package. Click OK. Save and then rerun the cycle. Note that this video aligns with the tutorial in the help file.